messy nails. But today I'll be making lip gloss. Here's my hand sanitizer. Today I'll be making lip gloss, and I'll be making a lip gloss named Purple Rain. Yes, I am selling lip gloss again, so stay tuned and check out the results. Okay, so now I'm just setting up my space. So I got my styrofoam bowl, my plastic spoon, and then so all the glitters and the mica pigment, the Versagel, the oils that I am using, those are all the things that I also sell from my business. So if you're looking at the mica pigment and you're like, ooh, I like this, that is available on my website. That is our white mica pigment with a purple hue. And then our purple heart glitter, we have that available. We sell that on our website. All our website information will be in the description box. And then we sell castor oil and we sell grapeseed oil. The grapeseed oil is in the bowl because I didn't have any already made. I didn't have any in a bottle. So I just put some in a bowl, and there you go. So then now look at my Versagel. Y'all see that? So beautiful. No mineral oil, zero mineral oil. It's Versagel ME750, the same as TKB Trading. And then right here, I'm adding my grapeseed oil. And later on, I add more. So then you just want to mix it up. So you want to mix it up and it will get clumpy and then it will get smooth. So later in this video, you see that I do add more grapeseed oil and I did add castor oil. Castor oil is thick, so you don't want to use too much, of course, but it is such an amazing oil. It's my favorite oil, literally. So you want to mix that again so it's evenly distributed with the grapeseed oil with the Versagel. And then here I am adding my white mica pigment. It does have a purple hue, which is so pretty. I love it. Honestly, it's my favorite mica pigments that I sell. So here I am mixing it. And then, of course, I'm going to add my purple glitter hearts. Honestly, my favorite thing to do is add the pigments and add like all the other stuff in it. I don't know. That's my favorite part of making lip gloss. So here are my purple hearts. On my website, they're called Crystal Purple. And then I'm adding Tropical Punch flavoring oil. I also sell that, but I am going to stop selling oils and I'm going to stop selling flavoring oils and all this other stuff. But yeah. So if you see this video, I really suggest buying the things that you want now before I get rid of them completely. And as you can see with the lip gloss, you can see the purple hue. Like, it's so freaking pretty. I love it. It's basic, very cute. And like the purple hearts really adds a nice touch to it. So here I am just adding the lip gloss in my 60 ml syringe. I do sell those syringes on my website, and I also sell pipettes. So I'm a supplier for lip gloss businesses. So if you're interested in buying any glitter, mica pigment, Versagel, I am the person for you. And yeah, here I am filling up the tubes. These are 15 ml tubes. I also sell these tubes on my website, but I am having a 30% off sale on all of my wholesale tubes, squeeze tubes, and wand tubes, because I am getting rid of them. So yeah, there you go. I'm in love with this. So I think I'm going to name it Purple Rain, or maybe a different name, but I'm not sure. I might stick to Purple Rain, but I don't know. And here I am sanitizing my tubes to get rid of all the sticky residue. And I did change my gloves into new ones. But yeah, so I use these Clorox wipes to sanitize them instead of putting them in water. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and feel free to check out my description box to check out my Stay Glowing Cosmetics and glowing apparel businesses. But yeah, so thank you all for watching. Please share with your friends. It would be greatly appreciated. Stay glowing.